Let's see how to connect Tapo C200 to Wi-Fi. You will need a Wi-Fi internet router before installing. Now install the SD card inside the CCTV camera. Then connect the DC power adapter. Now wait a moment for it to spin. Now go to the Play Store and download the TP-Link Tapo app. Now you need to create a TP-Link ID. I have already created an ID and am logging in now. Now add your CCTV camera. And select your camera model. Now you need to connect your mobile phone to the CCTV camera Wi-Fi network. This is the CCTV camera's Wi-Fi signal network. Then you need to select the router Wi-Fi network. Now enter your Wi-Fi password. Now the camera is connected and it is working well.